Good morning, grade 8. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about the main concept from topic 6, 7, and 8. We start with angles and lines. We have 4 rules for angles. When I have 2 parallel lines and one line cut them, what the relation between angles? We have 4 relations. First one, if both angles below the line or over the line, so we call them corresponding. Both of them below the line or both of them over the line here. We call them corresponding and they are equals. If both angles between 2 parallel lines, but not in the same side, do you see? Not the same side. They make Z letter. We call them alternate angles. If they make X, so the angles, they are equals and we call them opposite or vertical angles. And if we have 2 angles, make 180, make a straight line, we call them supplementary angles, okay? These are 4 rules. We use them to figure out any angles from these questions. First question, we have this here 2 parallel lines, and we need to figure out A, B, C, and D. A with 135 make straight lines, so they make 180 degrees. A equals what? Equals 180 minus 135, which is equals 45. So directly, girls, without doing anything, when I have a straight line and we need to figure out one angle, one missing angle, directly subtract 150, 180 minus another angle. What about B? B, it's opposite with 135. Opposite angles, they are equal. So directly also B equals 135. Why? Because they are opposite angles. What about C? C with B make alternate angles. Both of them between it, 2 parallel lines, not in the same side, so they are equals. So again, C equals 100, also 35 degrees. Last one, C and D, they are opposite, so they are equals. D equals 135 because it's equal with C. Okay, next question. Here we have E with 151 makes supplementary angles. So again, E equals 180 directly minus 151 equals 10 minus 1, 9, 7, 2. Use your calculator to figure out. It is 29 degrees. What about F? F with E, they are what? Vertical angles. They are opposite. And opposite angles, they are equals. So because E equals 29, also F equals 29 also. What about G? Is it G equals with F? No, they are not alternate angles because both of them in the same side. But G equals with 151. Why? Because both of them corresponding angles, both of them over the parallel lines. So G equals 151 directly, both of them over the line. So we call them corresponding angles. H equals with G because they are opposite angles. So H equals also 151 degree. Next concept is about Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem, it's very easy rule. Here when I have right angle inside my triangle, this is triangle, has right angle. What we call triangle in this case, we call it right triangle. Right triangle, we have two legs. And the opposite side, opposite the right angle, we call it hypotenuse side. A rule said a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If you switch between a and b, no matter, because addition is commutative, but c must be in another side. Be careful. You see, it's what? It's the side opposite a right angle. Okay, find missing side. Let's start with the first one. First step, write the rule. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then evaluate. A squared, it is 32 LA, and it's squared. Use your calculator, girls, please. Plus b squared, b is 60 squared equals c squared, which we need to figure it out, c, the other side. 32 squared equals 1024 plus c squared 3600. Let's add them. Equals 4624. This is what? This is c squared, but I need only c. What I will do, take root. I will take root for this number, 4624. For 624 equals 68. So C equals 68. This is how we apply Pythagorean theorem. Let's move next question. Missing side. Again, girls, write the rule first. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. I have a, so a squared 8 squared plus b squared, I don't know the value of b, equals c squared, which is 14 squared. A squared, 8 squared, it's 64 plus b squared equals 14 squared. It is 196. What I will do next, it's equation. I will move 64 to another side with a different sign. B squared equals 196 minus 64 equals minus 64 equals 132. Again, this is value of b squared. I need only b. What I will do to figure out b, take root for 132. So a root for 132 equals 2 for the root 33. Okay, both of them only evaluate your rule. Next question. Next question, I have this triangle and all sides here, I have them, but I need to prove, is it right triangle? Let's check that. How check that? We write also the rule again. A theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is a 3, so 3 squared plus B, which is 4, 4 squared. Is it equals 6 squared? So check that to see if it's correct or not. 3 squared 9 plus 4 squared is 16. 6 squared is 36. 9 plus 16, 25. So 25 not equals 36. So is it right triangle? No, it is not. Not right, it's right. Okay, thank you. Next video, we will complete the other two concepts.